Something familiar hides a deeper mechanism. A small seed, long known in kitchens and gardens, carries a story that reaches further than tradition. Fenugreek has been planted, harvested, and used across generations. Its roots in daily life are clear, yet its inner behavior continues to draw scientific attention. Within the seed, fibers interact with water to form gentle gels. This simple transformation shapes how the body encounters what is consumed. In the laboratory, these fibers reveal their capacity to bind and slow. They do not act with force, but with quiet persistence. The gel they create alters texture, delays passage, and influences how nutrients are absorbed. It is a modest mechanism, but one that connects plant chemistry to human physiology. In the kitchen, preparation matters. Seeds that are soaked soften, releasing compounds more readily. Boiling changes their structure further, allowing the gel to form in ways the body can recognize. Each step, rinsing, soaking, heating, translates the seed from its raw state into something more approachable, more digestible. The final cup carries warmth and steam, but also the imprint of these transformations. What began in soil and root has passed through careful handling, becoming part of everyday practice. This is not a promise of extremes. It is a reminder that ordinary seeds, prepared with intention, can shape ordinary health. The garden, the lab, and the kitchen together show how tradition and science meet in the simplest of acts, drinking, and letting the body respond.